Object and collections. Hi, today's topic is object and collection. So it is a simple key structure or maybe a flow chart, whatever you think. So you see here is an object. Okay, now come to the what is the object. And it should be not go too deep. It was we simply called or maybe a specific. For example, ledger is an object. Stock item is an object. Company is an object. Group is an object. Cost center object. Means the object is a specific one type. Okay. Now what is the object contain? Means object, ledger have name. Yes, it is the method. Ledger have a name. That name is called a method. Ledger parent is called a method. Ledger phone number is the method. Email ID method. GST number method. Contact method. Fax number method. These are all called a method. So first we discuss about this object and method. Later we talk about the collections. In a Tally.Developer environment, here is a schema. What appears on here, these are all object. When I talk about the ledger, so ledger is also object. Expand of this part. So now here is the all the just as a marked as these are all called a methods. Okay, so now these are all called a methods. These are all methods. Yes. Now in a coding part, here we are in a gateway menu and display the ledger details. The ledger is a program and form part having a, and we have a 5 lines. These lines are already templates are named here. Now each one line name, parent, ledger mobile, email ID and TIN number. Okay. Now here is the main part of is on here. Object ledger, whose ledger is customer 1 object. I specified here. So this entire report shows the object ledger customer 1. Means what is his name, parent, mobile number, email ID. These all should be shown in a report. Now look at it. In a tally, we have our shows report. Now this is one. So name of the customer, customer 1, group, Sunday debtor, mobile number, email ID, party GST number. If I change this one, if I set customer 2 and save and refresh and add, it shows the customer 2, group and everything. If I change customer 3, now look at it, customer 3 is comes. So it automatically the report will be a contain the object details. Come to the object and collection. So a simply language or maybe a look into the schema. We already explained ledger having an object, and what these here should be a small book based mark, green color marked, is the collection. Yes, these are our collections. All are should be a collections. Collection having an object and method also. So means object having a collection having an object and methods, and object having a new collection and object and collection object and so on. It will be a depend on the requirements. So object, collection, object, method or collection. Now we use the collection in a report. I tell that collection always should be repeatable. Now I was added here one ledger address part on a part level. Now comes here. So this is the address part, and line is the prompt to name line 1 because I was already used the templates. Now on here I use the repeat option. What it was repeat? Address is repeat. Yes. So here is a ledger is an object. I was mentioned here. Ledger is an object, and their method and some method is also can repeat. So that should be appears on here. This is repeat? No. Now here is the address. So it is a repeatable. Data type is string, means it's a name field. It's not. Now here we are repeating this address and we are putting on here. Now once we program execute, it shows the address of the customer 3. If I change for 1, now look at it, it was the customer 1. And same if I change, it's a customer 2. Yes, this is the object and object ledger and its method, and this is the repeat collection and it's the method. Collection contain the object address and method is also address. This is the object and collection. Subscribe and select a notification button for an updated video to you. Thank you.